You might have seen while I was away, I was having a few problems with where I have this CarPlay system mounted. It was just a little bit too far, it was just a little bit too close to where the key was, so I had to mount it down. But then what I found was it was taking the eyes off the road to look down here. So today we're going to have a look at mounting it somewhere up here. And we've got a new bracket from Touratech. So we'll have a walkthrough of how that happens. And you can fire any questions at me, or even fire a few comments on what you'd like to see next on the bike. The kit we're going to install is Touratech. While having a look online, I found that this was actually on sale. So picked it up for €69, which is a little bit dearer than some kits. But for me, Touratech has never let me down before. So was €98, got it for €69 in Overlanders in Gordy, Adventure Motorcycles in Gordy I should say. Great lads down there. Gary, always a pleasure to deal with and help with anything you need. So let's have a look what's in the kit. Sorry, I'm one-handed here at the moment. Left side, right side, couple of zip ties, couple of screws, and then the bar that everything gets mounted on. Okay, looks fairly straightforward. There is instructions in the bag somewhere. What you do is you go onto Touratech website and you put in this part number and they get you the instructions for it, but it looks fairly straightforward. This should be an easy one. Right, let's have a go. First things up, you've got a bolt, 2 bolts on either side of the unit. This is holding this bracket in place. Let's remove these. This is a 5mm hex head. They're actually a little bit tight. One, two, and then 3 and 4 will be on the far side. So this bracket is coming in, it's going to slot in here, but you got to be careful. There is a little plastic lip, it splits over there. It's going in between them, so let's see if we can get this on camera. It's wedged in between them and it's just gently pushed into place. And then your bolts are going to go back in. Within the holes, you're going to have one bolt that goes through. You'll also have a washer that should be on the inside here. It might be a little bit tricky trying to hold the washer in place as you're doing this, so I'm just going to put a tiny dab of glue on these washers just to hold them there. Just a tiny amount just to hold the washers in place. The slightest of dabs will do it. And you slot in your bracket back in. So you're tightening these up just under hand tight, 3 Newton meters with a 4mm hex head. You do the same on the far side. Now what should be the easy bit is just going to be the center bar just getting mounted in here. Center bar, bolt, just go in and tighten it, that's all. It doesn't say anything about Loctite, but I don't see any harm of putting a drop of Loctite in this just to hold it in place. And that, my friends, is as simple as that. That is done and dusted, fully fitted. Simple install. It should take you no more than 10 minutes. 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolt, 5 bolt, 6 bolt, and it's all done. And then depending on what CarPlay unit you have will depend how you're going to mount it.